Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Micronesia beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Micronesia beat today. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Micronesia beat. So, when launching your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this, right click and press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio before I will start making my Micronesia trap beat. It's your teacher how to make modern trap beat, new way to make modern trap beat apart from the wall. That's it. I make different type of trap beat. My beat structure is not everywhere, so you can only learn from me. That is, I've only launched my FL Studio. I'm going to like just enter my FL Studio app. This is my channel rack. This is my mixer. This is my playlist. I'm going to click on add here. I'll click on citrus. As you can see, this is an empty space. I'm not going to put my cursor here. Left click and hold it. Turn my mouse wheel to channel 5. Put my cursor on top of this citrus. Right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my Micronesia trap beat. First of all, I'll program the first 2 bars and then copy it right to bars number 8. As you can see, I've programmed my first 4 bars pattern. I'm going to click on select here, put my cursor here, left click and hold my left click button. Just highlight your left, but you can still press Ctrl and A and press Ctrl and B to copy right to bars number 8. You can press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B to copy right to bars number 8. That's it. After doing so, I'm going to pick another melody again. I'm going to click on add and pick this plugin called FL keys. I'm going to put my cursor on top of this empty space, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. After doing so, I'll put my cursor on this FL keys, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my bass melodies. As you can see, I've programmed my first to 4 bars on another beat. I'm going to put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. I will start to program my hi-hat now. I'm going to put my cursor on this hi-hat, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my hi-hat now. I'll just program the first 1 bar, copy right to bars number 8. That's it. This is my 1 bar. I'm going to put my cursor here. I can still press Ctrl and A, but it won't work effectively. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to left, press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. I'm going to put my cursor on channel 4, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my beat now. My snare. I'll first of all put my snare on the starting of one bar one at the ending of each beat, each bar. I'm putting my snare now, like this. Good. After that, I'm going to like pick my I'm going to left click, hold it, drag my kick to channel one, right click and press piano roll. I'll program my kick like this. That's it. This is my kick. I'm going to like boost my kick now. I'll click here, turn this boost knob, turn the boost knob right up. Now it's time now to mix our beats. On channel 6, I'm going to start mixing my last melody. I'll click on slot 1, add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2, add a fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 3, add a fruity multiband compressor. I'll click on slot 5, add a fruity soft clipper. On this other melody, I'll click on slot 1, add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 3 and add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 4 and add a fruity soft clipper again, double soft clipper. Now I'm going to click here, swap left and right like this. I'm just clicking like that and swapping left and right. I'll reverse the polarities here. I'm reversing the polarities here. That's it. I'm going to like turn a little bit the melody right down, turn up my kick. Now it's time now to start arranging our beat. I'm going to click on this view playlist where I've written part 1. I'll right click and click split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. When like arranging your beat, click here on draw, click on your kick now, and then click back onto your playlist. Make sure it's aligned. Make sure it's aligned from 1 to 9. So I'll click on my hi-hat, click back into my playlist, click on my snare, click back into my playlist, click on my first melody, click back into my playlist, click on my last melody, and click back into my playlist. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here, left click, hold it, highlight the left, press Ctrl and B. I'm extending my beat now. As you can see, I'm extending my beat without it playing. After that, I'm going to like play my beat to your understanding and to your hearing. Now I will remove the hi-hat, I'll remove the snare, and leave only the space for my intro. After that, I'll put my cursor here, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B. I'm extending my beat now. I'm going to click on my first melody. I'm extending my beat to my outro. I'll click this, I'll click here, my FL keys, extend my beat to my outro. I'll remove the hi-hat, remove the snare, then on channel 3 on my mixer, I'll just put my cursor here, right click, and just create automation clip. Automation clip is to control your beat, the volume of your beat automatically. On channel 4, which is my snare, I'll just put my cursor here, right click, and create automation clip and to control the volume of my snare. After that, I'll click on my snare and click on slot 1 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity limiter. On my hi-hat, I'll click on slot 1 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2 again and add a fruity limiter. Good. I'm going to spice up my beat now. At the ending point of my intro, I'm going to add a hi-hat here. I'm going to add the hi-hat here. At the starting point of my outro, I'm going to add a hi-hat here. Now, let's listen to my Micronesia trap beat from the start to the end and see you tomorrow in another beat in details. Now, let's go. Thank you for watching. Let's go. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow in another video. How to make beats, trap beats is me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.